Hi guys, Silver Fun here. Just had a delivery through the post, which I'm assuming is some coins. Ordered a few coins recently, so I'm not sure exactly which these ones are. But we'll open this little envelope and see what's actually inside it. So I'll just get some scissors and get this open. Very nicely wrapped. Now I ordered quite a few things from this guy. He always puts a flyer inside, so I'll show you who it is. And so it's called EJP Bullion. Hopefully you can read that. And there's his website. His name's Jay. So it's www.ejpbullion.com. So if you have a look at his website, you can subscribe to it, and then you can get discount codes. Or he's on various Facebook groups, and you can order direct from him. And it's the latest koala. It decides to focus in. So it's the 2019 1 ounce 9999 silver. Australian koala. It's quite difficult to see. Let me just shade some of this light. I might be able to see it a little bit better. See the detail. I wanted to show you my collection so far of Australian koalas. So haven't got many, and in my run I've got one year that's actually missing. So I'm going to show you what I've got so far anyway, and then see what you think. So I've only got 5 ounces of koalas so far. We'll start from the oldest one. Which is this one. And yes, I am handling them. I handle my coins. They're for my pleasure, so actually that's not, is that 2015? Yeah, 2015 1 ounce koala, perched on his little tree. And what we got next, that was 2015. And then the next one I've got, so I've missed a year. It doesn't want to focus in. This one's 2017. So I missed 2016, so I need to get hold of that one before I do anything else. There's Queenie. Bit of a mark down her face. Come on, focus in. There you go. Hopefully you can hear what I'm saying above the music. My son's just bought a record. Yes, she said a record, a real record, and it is. Oh, what is it now? Karate Kid, the original Karate Kid record on vinyl. This one is also 2017, but this one's got the kangaroo privy on it. So it is almost the same as this one, but instead of the privy on this one, you've got a tree in the background. And it doesn't want to focus. Come on, wake up. There we go. And the queen, and she's still got a bit of a mark on her cheek. I don't think she has that in real life. Next we've got the 2018. I like this one. This probably is my favourite one so far, I think. Get into view. There we go. The problem with videoing silver coins is if you haven't got the light exactly right, they just don't work because they're almost like a mirror, and you get too much reflection, and then the camera just can't focus in. Look at the detail now, that's very nice. There we go, there's Queenie. Must have had plastic surgery on this one because she doesn't seem to have a mark on this one. I think I need to invest in a new camera because this one is absolute pants. Or I might try and do what other people do and just do it on the phone, but we'll see. Just doesn't want to focus into that, does it? Come on. And then finally we've got the latest one, which is 2019, so possibly a lot of you haven't seen this one yet. There you go. I wouldn't say this is my favourite design. I think the previous year was my favourite one so far. And obviously I haven't got some of the other years, so I don't know what they're like. There's Queenie again. We've got straight focus on that one there. No problem. Oh, it's gone out of focus. So anyway, thanks for watching. Sorry about the terrible music in the background. Don't recognise a single song off this album. But hopefully you enjoyed the coins. So thanks for watching. See you. Bye.